In this video we will be looking at Tulketh Chimney in Preston. In the past few weeks one of the rings has dropped off the chimney. In the last week workers have started to have a look at how to repair the chimney. Here we can see a ladder set up running down the chimney. There has been some scaffolds set up at the very top of the chimney. Here is a 360 video shot overlooking Preston. Can you see where you live or pick out places you are familiar with? I shall keep you updated on the repair of the chimney. Thanks for watching and see you next time.